ओके एवरीवन, तो वो ये दो पार्ट्स हो गए हमारा. ओके, टू पार्ट्स आर डन, राइट. दिस all mark it very important. This can actually be asked as a theory question in your exams. Okay, this is a fundamental theory. In fact, अभी आपके नए GTP में the name is not given, but this was what was called, or this is what is called fundamental theorem of linear combination. Linear combination of vectors in a plane. Of vectors in a plane. Fundamental theorem of linear combination of vectors in a plane. Okay, let's look at the statement clearly once. If a bar and b bar are any two non-zero non-collinear vectors, so आपको पता है they are having finite magnitude, they are not along the same line or parallel to the same line, मतलब ये ऐसे कुछ है. And if r bar is a vector coplanar with a bar and b bar, a bar and b bar, okay, r bar is a vector coplanar with, अच्छा, what are coplanar vectors? Vectors lying in the same plane or in parallel planes. Vectors lying in the same plane or in parallel planes. Now everyone, please understand, if this is one plane and this is another plane, okay, this is one plane and this is another plane, right? So I can have a bar and b bar here, I can have r bar in this plane as well. But everyone, a vector in this plane can be pushed parallel to itself and got into this plane. Okay, you remember ना, free vectors. ज्योमेट्री में हम लोग को फ्री वेक्टर से ही काम करना है, लोकलाइज वेक्टर्स के बारे में बात नहीं करना है. सो मेरा जो ये वेक्टर है, दिस कैन बी मूव पैरेलल टू इटसेल्फ इनटू द प्लेन, इनटू दैट अदर प्लेन व्हिच कंटेन्स a bar and b bar. So for all practical purposes, when I say coplanar with a bar and b bar, I am going to take a bar and b bar and r bar in the same plane. Okay, even if it's in a parallel plane, I can shift it and make it in that plane. ठीक है, तो मेरा r bar जो है, I am going to show it on the board itself. Okay, then r bar can be uniquely expressed. R bar can be uniquely expressed as a linear combination of a bar and b bar. R bar can be uniquely expressed as a linear combination of a bar and b bar, and the converse is also true. Oh, 1 minute. Now this is very important. And the converse is also true. Means what? Converse is also true. Converse, अच्छा, if r bar is a vector coplanar with a bar and b bar, then r bar can be uniquely expressed as linear combination है. देखो, if r bar is a vector coplanar with a bar and b bar, then r bar can be uniquely expressed as linear combination. इसका converse क्या होगा? If r bar can be uniquely expressed as a linear combination, or I can still just say if r bar is a linear combination of a bar and b bar, then r bar must be a vector coplanar with a bar and b bar. I hope all of you all are actually able to understand this pretty easy, okay? And I'm going to prove it to you right now, okay? Very simple. It is very easy to understand, okay? But the statement in the first place, I hope all of you all have got that crystal clear, okay? A bar and b bar, two non-zero non-collinear vectors. Here we are with a bar and b bar, a bar and b bar as a bar and b bar as two non-collinear non-zero vectors. ठीक है? A bar and b bar are taken that way. R bar is a vector coplanar. I told you I'm going to take R bar, that coplanar vector, completely inside the plane itself. Okay, so here is R bar. Sorry. This is that R bar vector all over, and let's name it OP bar is R bar. OP bar is R bar. ठीक है? Now, everyone, we've been asked to show that R bar can be written as a linear combination of A bar and linear combination of A bar and B bar का मतलब क्या है? Something like MA bar plus NB bar, XA bar plus YB bar, इस टाइप का. Okay? Now, very basic, very basic. Okay? Through O, all of you, I want you all to draw a line that's parallel to A bar. ये देखो, parallel to A bar. Okay? And through P, I want you all to draw a vector parallel to B bar. Parallel to B bar. Here you are. A vector parallel to B bar. A vector parallel to B bar. ठीक है? They will intersect. And they will not intersect by chance. They will intersect. They have to intersect. Okay? Because these are non-collinear. So ये दोनों intersect होना ही चाहिए. So call it A. Now call it A. Everyone, can I say O से लेके A तक जो बना वेक्टर है, ये जो वेक्टर बना है, can I say it's like X times A bar, X times A bar. A bar, and you drew this parallel to A bar, isn't it? So that means it's going to be collinear vectors for sure, and if one of them is collinear, it must be a scalar multiple of the other. So this and this are collinear, this must be a scalar multiple of A bar. Similarly, this must be a scalar multiple of B bar, scalar multiple of B bar. And I think triangle law has it that R bar must be XA bar plus YB bar, XA bar plus YB bar. पक्का? पक्का? XA bar plus YB bar. Crystal clear. Crystal clear. So R bar is XA bar plus YB bar आ गया. That means R bar is a linear combination of A bar and B bar. Yeah, linear combination of A bar and B bar. अच्छा, so linear combination of A bar and B bar आ गया. This part is done. अच्छा, there is one little part still pending. Uniquely expressed. Uniquely expressed. Okay, what does that uniquely expressed mean? If R bar is like, for example, 2A bar plus 3B bar. R bar अगर आपका वो वेक्टर आ गया and you said it's 2A bar plus 3B bar. अच्छा, 2A bar plus 3B bar के अलावा और कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता. 3A bar plus 2B bar नहीं कर सकते. Okay, 2A bar plus 3B bar मतलब वो 2.1 A bar and 2.9 B bar या 3.1 B bar नहीं कर सकते. It has to be 2A bar plus 3B bar only. Okay, now for that, everyone, supposing someone says नहीं, मेरे को ये एक्सेप्ट करना नहीं है, मेरे लिए यूनिकली एक्सप्रेस नहीं है, मैं कुछ करके एक नया लीनियर कॉम्बिनेशन लेके आएगा. So he will say no, let R bar be another, let R bar be X1 A bar plus Y1 B bar. मतलब वो सोच रहा है कि भाई नहीं, ये नया एक लीनियर कॉम्बिनेशन आएगा. ओके, अच्छा, नया एक लीनियर कॉम्बिनेशन आ गया मतलब ये तो पहले से ही प्रूव हो गया. अब आप बता रहे हो कि ये भी है. सो कैन आई से दोनों तो R bar है. सो कैन वी इक्वेट द टू? वी विल इक्वेट द टू. देयरफॉर XA bar plus YB bar is X1 A bar plus Y1 B bar. अरे लेकिन अगर ऐसे हुआ तो X1 and X2 must be the same. Therefore X must be equal to X1 and Y must be equal to Y1. मतलब ये जो X1 है वो X ही है और ये जो Y1 है वो Y ही है. That means linear combination is unique. Linear combination is unique. ये हो गया. Uniquely expressed भी हो गया. Okay. So everyone, then converge is also true. So this is one part. Uniquely expressed is second part, and converge. This is third part. Okay, इधर एक थर्ड पार्ट भी आ गया because uniquely expressed भी आ गया ना. नहीं तो हम लोग ये कोप्लेनार के लिए लीनियर कॉम्बिनेशन, एंड लीनियर कॉम्बिनेशन होगा तो कोप्लेनार होगा, वैसे बताने जा रहे हैं। अच्छा, कन्वर्स पार्ट में ऑब्जर्व, ये सिर्फ थोड़ा सोचना है, दैट्स इट। ओके, कन्वर्स पार्ट में you already know a bar and b bar are coplanar vectors। अरे टू वेक्टर्स आर ऑलवेज कोप्लेनार, मैंने लास्ट टाइम भी बताया था आप लोगों को, लास्ट टाइम भी बताया था a bar and b bar any two vectors are always coplanar, so r bar and a bar are coplanar। अच्छा, r bar and a bar are coplanar मतलब x a bar and y b bar are also coplanar। x a bar plus y b bar has to be coplanar with a bar and b bar, therefore r bar must be coplanar with a bar and b bar। Converse is nothing actually, okay, a bar and b bar any two vectors are always coplanar, so स्केलर मल्टीपल आप सोचो ना, a bar and b bar, इसका स्केलर मल्टीपल जो होगा दैट ट्वाइस a bar, थ्राइस a bar, 10 times a bar, वो इस बोर्ड पे आएगा ना, बोर्ड पे तो आएगा ही आएगा। स्केलर मल्टीपल b bar also must be in the board itself, and addition of two coplanar vectors must be, addition of these two vectors has to be in the plane of the board only। That means r bar, which is given to be x a bar plus y b bar, has to be coplanar with a bar and b bar। Now what I forgot to write here first is, if r bar is x a bar plus y b bar, this is what is given to us ना, this is what is given to us, है ना। पहले पार्ट में क्या हमको कोप्लेनार वेक्टर दिया था एंड हमने लीनियर कॉम्बिनेशन निकाला। कन्वर्स पार्ट में उल्टा होना चाहिए ना, लीनियर कॉम्बिनेशन दिया रहना चाहिए, and we prove that r bar must be coplanar with a bar and b bar। Now everyone, what you all now have to do, okay, now what you have to do, first before I proceed any further, point number 2, last page या the page where you are writing statements of all theorems, 2 लिख के, जैसे मैंने इधर लिखा है तीनों के तीन, एंड तीसरे के सामने फंडामेंटल थ्योरम ऑफ लीनियर कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ वेक्टर्स इन अ प्लेन, ये स्टेटमेंट का नाम है, वो भी लिखो। दिस यू विल राइट ऑन दैट पेज, एंड ऑन द रेगुलर पेज स्टेटमेंट दिस 2 एंड द थर्ड पार्ट ओनली, बिकॉज 1 and 2 यू ऑलरेडी रिटन, okay, and then note it down in 3 parts like I've marked those 3 parts there। This is part 1, uniqueness part 2, converse part 3 करके please note this down as well, please note this down as well। अच्छा, everyone earlier आपके GTP के आने से पहले, okay, ये converse part explicitly नहीं था, ओके, सो कन्वर्स पार्ट आप लिख दो। इनफैक्ट ये फिगर ड्रॉ करके ये लिखा वो भी कर दो। आपके ब्लू बुक में थ्योरम इट्स प्रूफ इज गिवन टू, दिस प्रूफ इज गिवन टू, बट आप इन शॉर्ट जो मैंने बोर्ड पे किया है वो आप भी लिख लो, ऑलराइट। बाकी जो है वो स्टेटमेंट क्या लिखना है वो सब है, दैट यू कैन रेफर टू द ब्लू बुक एंड राइट इट डाउन, ठीक है। प्लीज मेक अ नोट ऑफ दिस quickly। Okay, now everyone, मैंने ऑलरेडी यहां पर तीसरा स्टेटमेंट लिख के रखा है, ओके। 3 vectors a bar, b bar and c bar are coplanar if and only if there exists scalars x, y, z, at least one non-zero such that x a bar plus y b bar plus x c bar is 0 bar, x a bar plus y b bar plus x c bar is 0 bar, ऐसा। So that means what? Shall I say इफ एंड ओनली इधर भी लिख रहे हैं एग्जैक्टली लाइक स्टेटमेंट नंबर 1 जो अपन ने लिखा था. ओके, इफ एंड ओनली ऐसे ही था. ओके, सो व्हाट आई हैव टू डू नाउ, आई विल से 3 vectors a bar, b bar and c bar are coplanar. That is given. Then there must exist ऐसा रिलेशन आना चाहिए. दूसरा पार्ट में क्या करना चाहिए मुझे, अगर ऐसा है तो the 3 vectors have to be coplanar. ठीक है. So everyone, part 1. Part 1 में what are we assuming? We are assuming that A bar, B bar and C bar are coplanar. A bar, B bar and C bar are coplanar. Okay. Then I have to show that such a relation exists. A bar, B bar and C bar are coplanar. Such a relation definitely exists. Okay. Acha, everyone, now supposing they are coplanar. Okay. If they are coplanar, shall I say one of them, the 3 vectors are coplanar, है ना? Okay, one of them must be a linear combination of the other 2. अगर आप समझ रहे हो ना everyone, अगर आप बराबर से समझ रहे हो, this is going to work exactly the same way as what you did with state number 1. 2 vectors A bar and B bar are collinear if and only if there exist scalars M and N, at least one non-zero such that MA bar plus NB bar is 0 bar. और हमने बिल्कुल वैसे ही शुरू किया है. ये कोप्लेनार हुआ तो I know from this theorem that one of them must be a linear combination of the other 2. So one of them must be a linear combination of other 2. So can I say therefore xa bar plus yb bar plus minus c bar is 0 bar. Is it fair to say that your x and y are x and y only and z is minus 1? So this kind of an expression is definitely on, and hence I can say xa bar plus yb bar plus zc bar equal to 0 bar टाइप का रिलेशन होना ही चाहिए. दैट इज पार्ट 1. पार्ट 2 में एवरीवन वी हैव टू डू कन्वर्स. दैट मींस गिवन व्हाट xa bar plus yb bar plus zc bar is 0 bar. Okay, given xa bar plus yb bar plus zc bar is 0 bar. Okay, then let us assume that x is not equal to 0. At least one non-zero बोला है ना, so let us assume that is x. Can I say therefore xa bar is minus yb bar minus zc bar. Therefore since x is not equal to 0, I can divide by x. अगर मैं डिवाइड बाय x करेगा तो a बार इज माइनस y बाय x b बार होगा माइनस z बाय x c बार होगा. अब ये क्या बना, ये बन गया a बार इज अ लीनियर कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ b बार एंड c बार. Therefore a bar, b bar and c bar are coplanar vectors. बराबर है. I understand all the on. अगर कोप्लेनार है तो ऐसा रिलेशन होना चाहिए. अगर ये रिलेशन है तो तीनों वेक्टर कोप्लेनार होना ही चाहिए. Okay, which means all of you all, one thing is absolutely clear in your mind. पिछले लेक्चर में कोलिनियरिटी के लिए मैंने स्केलर मल्टीपल बोला था, याद है ना? one must be a scalar multiple of the other. कोप्लेनारिटी जब मैंने बात की तब मैंने बोला था कोप्लेनार वेक्टर्स के लिए आपको याद रखना है, क्या याद रखना है? दे आर लाइन इन द सेम प्लेन और इन पैरेलल प्लेन. इतना ही. मैथमेटिकली तभी भी मैंने बोला था रिलेशन है जो बाद में आएगा. एंड This is what we have to talk about. If three vectors are given to you and you have to show that the three vectors are coplanar, you have to express one of them as a linear combination of the other two. So everyone, important note, if given three vectors, okay, A bar, B bar and C bar, to prove that they are coplanar, express one of them as a linear combination, of the other. ये very important relation. Very important relation. Okay. I think now we have talked about the third statement and its understanding completely well. Okay. Statement again, everyone, on the last page, on the regular page, this has to be there. Okay. This has to be there. The proof has to be there. And concluding the proof is the note. Given any three vectors A bar, B bar, C bar, to prove that they are coplanar, express one of them, any one of them as a linear combination of the other. ये अगर हो गया, coplanarity has been established. Is that very clear? Everyone, absolutely clear. Okay. Now, I think you all should take a pause and write that down. Okay. Take a pause and write that down. All of you. And I am going a little further, giving you little more understanding about this statement, but now as non-coplanar vectors. Okay? Or 1 minute. Why don't you all note this down? Okay, note it down.